Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how the admin commands work in 99 nights in the forest and whether you can actually get them. So, first of all, the regular players can't get the admin commands in 99 nights in the forest. The admin panel is only given to the developers and the small group in the staff member, and it isn't something that you can unlock through the gameplay or the course level. The second thing is that any video or the script claiming you to give the admin command is either fake or exploit based. So these scripts can get you your Roblox account banned instantly, so avoid them completely. The game has no hidden admin crystals key or the tasks that unlock the commands. The system simply isn't built for the players to access. Now, what you can do is you can take the advantage of all the legit mechanics the game provides. First, you need to focus on gathering the resources early, upgrading to your tools, and completing the nighttime challenges with the team. So this is going to help you progress faster without relying on any kind of fake admin shortcuts. Now, if you want more power, you can look for the limited events and the in-game boosts because those are the only official ways to get stronger. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.